What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler and this is Earth's Cuisine. So season 2 of Tiger King premieres on Wednesday, and that's why today I'm going to show you how to make some vegan tiger brownies. Before we get started, let me explain, this is not me trying to glorify Joe Exotic. In fact, I actually made a video on my environmental channel, Earth's Ego, explaining some of the animal abuse you didn't see in the show. I'll have that video linked down in the description if you want to check it out. So for the brownie filling, you'll need 6 ounces of vegan cream cheese, a third of a cup of sugar, a quarter cup of applesauce, 2 teaspoons of grated orange peel, 1 small tube of red icing, as well as 1 small tube of yellow icing. For the actual brownies, you'll need 1 box of vegan brownie mix, 2 flaxseed eggs, that's 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds mixed with 5 tablespoons of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, and a quarter cup of water. All right, without any more delay, let's get baking. All right, and here we have our vegan tiger brownies. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.